In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back and start new chat on Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your account and open a clean conversation without losing access to your earlier threads. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Perplexity AI website. If you already have an account, sign in with your usual method. If you're new, take a moment to create an account so your chats can be saved and accessible across devices. After you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. On desktop, you'll typically see a central area for the conversation and a sidebar that holds your history and settings. On mobile, the layout is a bit more compact, but the key controls are still easy to find. Now, let's start a brand new conversation. Look for the control labeled New. On desktop, it usually appears near the top of the interface. On mobile, it may appear as a clearly marked button or a plus style icon. Click or tap New. This opens a fresh, empty chat, so your next question isn't influenced by what you were discussing before. Think of it as a clean slate. The new thread will not carry over context from your earlier exchange. A quick tip here: if there's anything you want to keep from your current conversation, like a summary, a prompt you really like, or a list of sources, copy it before you move on. Starting a new chat doesn't delete your previous one, but it's smart to have important snippets handy if you plan to reference them immediately. Here's how going back works in practice. When you open a new chat, your previous conversations remain safely stored in your chat history. If you decide you want to return to a prior thread, simply navigate to your history area and select the conversation you want to revisit. You can also use your browser's back function to step out of the new view. Either way, your earlier messages will be right where you left them with the full context intact. A couple of organizational tips can make this smoother. After you ask your first question in a new chat, consider giving the thread a clear descriptive title if the option is available. Over time, concise titles help you spot the right conversation quickly. And remember, staying signed in ensures your chats sync so you can pick up where you left off on another device. That's it. Go to Perplexity AI, sign in or create your account, and click New to begin with a fresh slate. When you need to go back, open your chat history and select the previous thread. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.